Well, hello, it's Barb Schlinker and Happy New Year. And I just want to give you a really quick market update on what's going on right now in the real estate market. Let's talk about, first of all, some kind of general things that are going on. In general, it is for first time home buyers, which typically would be millennials and Generation Z. They're finding that rent is about $800 cheaper than a mortgage. So a lot of people are waiting and kind of hoping to see if prices actually drop down. But so far, the charts just don't bear that out. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to blow this up so you can see it. But if you look at the average and the median prices and compare it to last year we had high rates too. Right now the rates are in the sevens again. But if you look back a year ago, December of 2023, January, say, to make it exactly a year, the average price was $522,000 in El Paso County. The median price was $450,000. And since that time, it's gone up to $545,000. So it's gone up a good, it looks like $23,000 for average. And the median price has gone up about $30,000. So the prices are going up. And what we are seeing is that in general, the prices tend to be the highest in the spring through the summer. So this is a good time if you are thinking of making a move right now. Currently, we're seeing the number of available homes drop off a little bit. That could be seasonality. This is El Paso County. Number of under contract listings, very similar to what we saw the year before. And then let's break it down by counties. So if you look at El Paso County, so we saw a pretty good drop. I can just drop this down. If you can see these numbers, the median list price was $544, and at the end of the year, it dropped down to $520. The average days on market for the same time period went from 89 to 100 days. Now, part of the problem, I think, is some of the agents are not appropriately pricing a home. If you price it very realistically, the chances of you getting it sold much quicker than that are higher. And we know how to do that. So if you are thinking of making a move, give us a chance. We'd love to help you and show you what we can do to get homes sold fast and for top dollar. Douglas County has been kind of very, very flat. The average price or median list price is $825. Average days on market up to 103 days. Teller County, a little bit different story. We've seen the median list price drop down from $599 to $587. Average days on market way up at 146. So some of that could be seasonal because, a lot of people tend to move into Teller County as the weather more warms up just a little bit. Pueblo's average price has been very flat for the last couple of months, right at $350. Average days on market, 114 days. And just picking a few little areas, like I live in Monument, I like tracking Monument. You can see since November 29, the median list price, so that's the asking price, has dropped from 769 down to 733. Average days on market dropped down from 107, so that's good. It's less, and it's at about 96. But you can see kind of a flat trend. So what the projections are as far as where the market's going and what we anticipate what's going to happen, I mean, there must be a reason why Realtor.com named Colorado Springs as to be basically the number one hottest real estate market for resales in the country for 2025. A lot of it could have to do with the price disparity between, if you look at El Paso County, median price 520, Douglas County median price 825. That's a big number. So maybe they think those numbers are going to merge up a little bit more because it's very close. I mean, I just went up to Arapahoe Road yesterday and it took me 35 minutes. So it's not that far away. So it could be that. They were also saying a lot of military coming in and out in this market and they can buy homes zero down. So that was their reason. But the big thing is about what's going to happen going into the future with interest rates. Right now, as of the end of last week, mortgage rates kind of just ticked up just a little bit at For a 30-year conventional fix, it's 7.1, and for VA or FHA, right at 6.45. Now, what a lot of the sellers and a lot of the builders are doing, and what the buyers are asking for, is they might come in at your price, but they might ask you to cover some of their loan closing costs so they can buy that loan rate down. I heard something on a podcast last week that I thought was very true to what I would do if I were buying in this market right now, is basically marry the house, date the interest rate, because you can always refinance almost for free and get a better rate. And right now the prices are lower. If you look at the history of where prices were back in the springtime of last year, so this is April, May, June, all the way through June, and it started to drop off in August, you can see the prices were highest for the year during those months, right? So if I'm a buyer, I'm not waiting. And if I'm a seller, I wouldn't wait much longer. So anyway, if you'd like to talk to us and discuss the sale, we would love to help you. A lot of people are getting their homes ready for sale. Many times they'll ask us what to do and what not to do to get their house ready for sale. And we love doing that. And we'll give you a really good idea what price range your home will sell for and how much you put in your pocket when it sells. Thank you. Happy New Year. And if you have any questions, please book a quick call with me. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Bye.